What's going on, everybody? What's going on, people? What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? I trust you are blessed. I trust you are blessed. I trust you are blessed. Well, as you know, guys, I'm about to show you the same stuff, man. The same stuff. Like I've been busy. Yeah, I've been busy. We've been doing a lot in terms of business and all that stuff. But like, you know, I don't neglect my YouTube channel and my students. My students are priority to me, and my YouTube channel is coming on because I try to show you guys this stuff every time. I'm online. So today is like a Sunday, pre-markets open. I'm gonna show you stuff that happened because last time I uploaded a video I was doing on my phone, so some of you couldn't really see my analysis, like based on news and all that stuff. But I want to show you the same stuff, guys. You see, the market rallied all the way up, and when it rallied all the way up, there was news that was coming on, and the market was in the process of forming a W, which was our daily high. You check out, like it was in that process of forming that W, which was our daily high, and this was news that came out, you see, and this was news that came out, and when the news came out, it came and it met, it formed our M, which was our daily high, and the news went down like that, just like a volcano, baby, just like a volcano. The news came and it went in line with my analysis. This was the NFP. Look at that. You could have caught something like 28, 26 pips, which is not bad really if you ask me. 26 pips in a space of maybe somewhat, 10 a minute or so, like 26 pips. Because this was our high of the day, and the market had formed an M, and the market was bound to go down. Like I always say, look, even after the news, the market did not come to reach the stop losses over there. It continued to rally all the way down. This is one thing. Let me show you guys something about NFP. This is free information I'm giving out about NFP. NFP, what happens is whether the news comes out, when the news comes out, it meets the daily high or the daily low, depending on the currency pair that you're looking at. Now, what they do after that, they know that a lot of people are going to start buying somewhere here, and they're going to start, they're going to start selling somewhere here. And what they do is they're going to come and hunt for stop losses before they actually move it. So NFP, one of the ways of trading the NFP is to wait. Don't trade even with everybody who is trading the NFP like immediately. You can even wait for them to come and bring it back to where it was before. But you know that you have met your daily high. So there's no way the market is going to come back here on the top again. So what happens is you wait, and maybe when you see a setup forming near your daily high, you can start selling and leave it to run. You catch the equal pips that some people who were not trading the NFP were catching. I don't know, guys, but this is simple. That's why I don't like trading news. I'm giving free information on news because I don't literally trade news like on that, in that way. But look at what's happening in the market. Go and analyze the market. Go and do your analysis. Do not only depend on the stuff that I'm sharing with you guys. You see what I mean? So you can use this approach, you can use other approaches, but this is the simplest way. You will always win with this strategy or with this technique that I'm showing you now. Wait for the market to come and hunt for stops, and then you are going to sell. You know that the news was negative for the US dollar. So you are going to sell after that, and it's going to come and give you the equal pips that these guys got. Unfortunately for them, they were in a rush. For them, their hearts were beating fast, but you are relaxed. You have a lower risk again. I hope this makes sense to you. The same approach you can use. I traded the Euro carry. It was the GBP carry that I traded, but they wake in line because of news. You see what I mean? I sold this pen. People didn't understand. How come you sell a pair? because I had seen that it was at its daily high, man. I'd seen it. And when news came out, it was in line with my M setup. It was in line with my M setup. It was in line with my M setup. I like this caddy. I like the caddy, man. Like when it comes to news, I mean, I prefer it. 185 pips. That's $1,850 in a single trade in like 45 minutes. Basically, literally 45 minutes. You catch $1,850. This is the technique that I'm using every day in the market. Go and trade your support and resistance. Go and trade your whatever it is that you're trading. Go and trade whatever it is. And when you lose money, you come back to us again and we'll assist you. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys this. I mean, let me show you one of the emails from one of my students. I mentored this guy quite some time back. He says, hello, sir, I attached a form of results below. After we had our last session last week, I made about 96 pips on the Euro USD trade using the mastermind concept, which is what I like to call my strategy. Basically, I don't call it the strategy. I call it the mastermind concept of trading the markets. I trade news. I trade whatever it is. Like I can show you backdate the material back before even there was a lot of noise in the market, and show you how this approach has always been. He says the turnover on this trade alone was 3,200. I didn't risk too much because I was swinging. I just caught the low of the week and held it up. I assume you wanted to say he held it up. Thank you, Chief. Okay, thank you so much, bro. I mean, I appreciate. You see, he's not only sending me stuff. He's not only just talking. He's sending me proven stuff. I like this, and I appreciate him for what he did. I mean, you can see he was catching the daily low. I mean, now when he took this picture, it was in a longer term perspective, which was a 1 hour time frame. I like that. I mean, everybody has a way of identifying themselves. You see, this is an email I received 8 days ago. Because I've not been active, I couldn't like read it, but at least I've seen it now, and I want to show you guys. So guys, it's the same approach that I always teach you guys about. Same stuff I always teach you guys about. Same. Nothing changes, man. This I can do for like 10 years, 20 years from now. By the way, guys, I'm increasing my course by the end of the month, which is the 31st. There are some guys who have booked already. They'll still pay under the same, prices that I told them about. There are some guys who say they are joining me beginning of February, which is what I like, not a problem. So as long as they are booked, like they have booked the session, the bank, the increase are not going to affect them at all. But for the new guys, I'll be announcing the new price for those who will be joining me, beginning of the month of February. Except if you book now and maybe we put you on the hold. I hope this assists you guys. And because the demand is growing, guys, I'm not your typical guy. Some of you have paid $1,000 to guys who didn't teach you anything, didn't show you anything about the market. I hold every one of my students' hand. All the time. All the time I help them. You understand? Like it's what I do basically, and I help them with that. That's why because I take my craft very seriously. So guys, I hope this like shows or explains some stuff to you that you do not understand. Because at the end of the day, I need you guys to go out there and make money. That's what this movement is all about. I hope I explained something about NFP and all these news trading. And also this helps you open your eyes to what is going on in the market. God bless you guys. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I hope you go out there and rock the markets, baby. Go and rock the markets. God bless. We love you.